Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to search for a link in Gmail chat on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever needed to find a specific link in your chats, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and efficient. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing all the features we'll be using. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down list of services. In this menu, select Chats. This will take you to the chat interface where you can manage your conversations, including direct messages and group chats. Now, focus on the left side menu and click on Direct Messages. This option will direct you to all your personal chats, where you can find specific conversations that may contain the link you're looking for. Next, enter the chat where you believe the link might be located. Once you're in the chat, look for the search icon at the top of the conversation window. It usually resembles a magnifying glass, making it easy to spot. Click on that search icon, and a search bar will appear. Now, type in the keywords related to the link you're searching for. Whether it's part of the URL or some context around it, enter that information into the search bar and press Enter. Within moments, you'll see results displaying any messages that contain your search term. This makes it incredibly easy to find specific links without scrolling through endless messages. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to search for a link in Gmail chat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating your digital workspace. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.